Taurus, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And this page been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is returning to heart. Returning to things that you love to do. What is cool to you? What makes your soul shine in your heart and continue to glow? Your favorite hobbies. It's time to not worry about what the world is doing, what everyone else is doing. What do you love to do? Have your favorite meal. Have your favorite beverage. Do your favorite hobby. This is a card letting you know you're not missing out on anything. Only thing you're missing out on is your originality and actually being happy. Do what makes you happy and watch how your world changes and everything just feels so much better. I breathe light and stick to the essentials of my soul in the present moment. I calm my thoughts and I focus on my heart and I find a space to be. Where my light and greatness are, I find peace and inner silence. Be original. You came in this world by yourself. You're going to leave by yourself. No one has the same fingerprint. No one has the same intuition and the same drive as you do. So be yourself. Be original. Stick out and watch how the world welcomes you. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.